All right, so our details page can display the product name, but like I mentioned earlier, let's go ahead and add some more details to the page. But before we do that, I want to add a new CSS style to our file styles.css because we'll use this style on our actual details page. So let's just move down to styles.css. And so in this file, let's go ahead and do a search for the string detail-section. And this should bring you down to the area of code that's similar to what I have on the screen. And so we're going to add a new style right after here. We could actually place this style anywhere, but I'm just trying to group related styles in similar locations in the file. And so I'll add a new style for the actual image width as a percentage. So I'll call this style detail image. And the width is 30%. So when we display our detail image, this is the actual percentage that we want to have as far as a view for that given image. Alrighty, so now we can move back to our product details component.html. And I'll get rid of some of that hard-coded stuff that I put in a little bit earlier. So I'll just kind of remove line 4 here. And the first thing that we want on our details page is the actual product image. So we make use of image source, give the image URL, and class, and we'll make use of that new class that we just created, detail image. All right, so let's go ahead and add an H3 for the product name. Next, we'll add code here for the product price. We'll also add a button here for cart. Right now it's just a placeholder, doesn't really do anything. We'll add that functionality in some of the upcoming videos. I'll just set up a little horizontal rule here. I'll set up a heading for description. And then I'll actually give the product description. And I'll save that here. And ooh, red stuff in the terminal. Whoa, what's going on there? Let me scroll the window up and see what's happening. Error. Description does not exist. Oh, typo. And it even says, hey, did you mean description? Oh, wow, you're great. I like that. Typo, it found it for me. Description with a C. Nice. Excellent. Compiled successfully. Yay. Alrighty, I'm excited now. Let's go ahead and test this out. So I'll swing back over to my browser. And I'll select one of my products and then success. Yes. So we have the image, name, price, button, description. Sweet. I like it. I like it. Check out some of our other products here. Yep. Good. Good. Looks good. And let's play around with some of our other categories. So mouse pads. Sweet. And coffee mugs. Oh yeah. And finally, all of our luggage tags. Awesome. So I'm fairly confident here that the master detail view is working out just fine for us in our application. But there's one more thing I want to add. I want to add a navigation link to the bottom of that details page, just so the user can click that link to go back to the main page if they like. So the router link will be to products. Set up the appropriate class here, MT5. Save that and swing back over to my application. And I should see the new updates here. Great, so right here at the bottom, notice here, there's a back to product list. I can choose that and it takes me back to my products. Alrighty, so this looks really good. So we have the master detail functionality working for our project. I like to say, good job.